Let's practice reading today, using the I can phrase. Are you ready? I can ride a bike. Let's read it again. I can ride a bike. I can swim in the pool. Let's read it again. I can swim in the pool. I can read books. Let's read it again. I can read books. I can run fast. Let's read it again. I can run fast. I can write stoties. Let's read it again. I can write stories. I can help others. Let's read it again. I can help others. I can bake cookies. Let's read it again. I can bake cookies. I can paint beautiful pictures. Let's read it again. I can paint beautiful pictures. I can play piano. Let's read it again. I can play piano. I can speak English. Let's read it again. I can speak English. I can jump high. Let's read it again. I can jump high. I can solve puzzles. Let's read it again. I can solve puzzles. I can dance ballet. Let's read it again. I can dance ballet. I can sing songs. Let's read it again. I can sing songs. I can climb tree. Let's read it again. I can climb tree. I can use a computer. Let's read it again. I can use a computer. I can learn new things. Let's read it again. I can learn new things. I can make friends. Let's read it again. I can make friends. I can dream big. Let's read it again. I can dream big.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.